Hi.
Hi.
Good morning, Professor. I'm Kemal Delik, Associate Editor of ACM, Ubiquity magazine. Today with me in Croatia is Professor Zoran Vukic. He's professor at the Faculty of Electrical Engineering in Zagreb, Croatia. Dr. Vukic is also head of important lab exploring the world of underwater robotics, and at the same time he is a founding father of Breaking the Surface conference, which is now in 7th execution in Croatia.
Yes.
Professor Vukic, thanks for accepting that we talk a little bit about state of the art in underwater robotics. Could you please tell us what's your view into current state of the art in underwater robotics from a perspective of your long view into this research for several years?
Thank you for coming here, for seeing what we are doing. I would like to say something about underwater robotics, which is very fast moving towards some new developments. In future, what we are seeing today, we will have robotics which covers not only underwater but surface and aerial robotics, joined together in a cooperative manner for a longer period of time. We will see probably in a couple of years autonomy which goes more than a month. That will be very important for autonomous robotics to be deployed and used by the industry. In this respect, I see offshore oil and gas industry, offshore wind farms, aquaculture, and other possible applications. Maritime robotics is one of them, and those industries are very important for us because we are looking for application areas which will accept those robotics. At the moment, what we have is research in these directions, and what is very important, when we want to come close to real use, we should have real testing in real conditions at sea with sea states 3, 4, 5. But what you will see today in all experiments, or almost all experiments, they are done in sea states 1 or 2. And that is big difference. Usually we need robotics when the weather conditions are not good. And that is something which our research should overcome. And that will be probably in 10 years from now realized. A lot of research in Europe is going on. We are involved in a couple of European projects. We are involved in a couple of Office of Naval projects. We are involved in NATO projects. And from these projects and from cooperation with our partners in other institutes and research groups around Europe and also United States, we can say that our laboratory reached the level of competence which didn't exist before.
So considering the current situation and state of the art of technologies, so what would you see as a couple of important future research directions and developments in the next, let's say, 15 to 25 years?
In the next 15 to 25 years, there will be a lot going on in so-called cognitive robotics. It will certainly change the scene that we have today. A lot is going on also in the area of power systems for underwater robotics. and a lot is going on also in the area of communications. Those areas are very important because cooperative control and cooperative robotics without extending autonomy, without human in the loop, is something which will not be accepted so easily as some robotics people are thinking. So human in the loop is very important, and it will be very, very important to resolve this change of work which is today in robotics going on in research domain.
Thanks a lot, Professor Vukic. I appreciate that you accepted that we talk a little bit about current state and the future in Croatia. I wish you best of the luck in your future research. So that was ACM Ubiquity podcast, and with us we have Professor Zoran Vukic from Faculty of Electrical Engineering in Zagreb. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Kevin. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Pleasure.